Today, we will be diving deep into figuring out how to make money on YouTube, and we'll cover some of the standards as well as a few non-standard ways that you can start making a profit from your YouTube channel. Well, the first and most obvious way of making money, and certainly the most recognizable, is using Google's own AdSense network in order to post ads that you can put on your channel. There are a few conditions that you need to fulfill in order to be able to join the partnership program. This can make you a decent sum of money, but of course it doesn't need to be your only source of income. That makes you completely dependent on YouTube, and the way things are going, you don't want to put all of your eggs into one basket, provided that YouTube just one day decides to change their rules and, well, you know the rest. What is merchandising? Well, YouTubers with a larger audience can afford to offer their fans an opportunity to buy his or her branded product. Now, this is a good source of income because you aren't directly dependent on YouTube, and we've already seen YouTubers such as PyroCynical, PewDiePie, Markiplier, even Mr. Beast make hundreds of thousands of dollars selling t-shirts, hoodies, bags, memorabilia, and other stuff, but like them, you will have to pay close attention to the quality of your products. Unlike the AdSense program, with sponsorships, you can directly make an agreement with a third party. These are usually companies looking to promote their own product, service, or event through you, or they can be either marketing companies that are the middleman between you and the target client. Through these contracts, you can make a lot of solid money since you won't be sharing any of them with YouTube. One thing to note is that the signing of the contract should be done in the presence of a lawyer, since some companies may require you to sign an exclusivity clause, i.e. you won't be able to take on any other sponsors. Now, affiliate marketing represents the promotion of a third-party product or service where you make a commission on each and every sale made from your link. This is a little bit different from sponsorships, seeing as how you are not directly in contact with the client, but you make a commission. Now, if you have a larger channel, the company will approach you themselves if they want you to market some of their products, and they will give you an affiliate link. But you can get into affiliate marketing by yourself and join a network such as Amazon Affiliate. The disadvantage of this approach is that, well, you could get reported for spamming and get restricted access to your channel, and nobody wants that. So it's a good idea to make your own landing page where you can put the links to your offers directly while avoiding the YouTube platform. While being close to merchandising, you can think of marketing your own products as a sort of an extension of using YouTube just as a marketing device to find your niche of customers where you can offer your services or your products. Now, there is a world of options here, so whether you're making jewelry, art pieces, music, programming, or design services, or even offering courses, YouTube is a great platform which will allow you to reach all of your potential customers. The potential to make money on YouTube is almost limitless, and we see new people making and having new ideas almost every day. So if you have any ideas that you would like to contribute, make sure to put them below in the comment section, and we will discuss them in a future video. Thank you for watching today's Tube Secrets video. If you liked watching the video, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell icon down below. If you have any questions for us, make sure to write them in the comment sections below. And if you'd like to get a free review of your channel, go to our website and take the free channel review.